Welcome to Erin's Design with Wine. I'm Erin Conover Murray. I would like to show you all of the design tips and tricks and secrets that we use today in this kitchen to help inspire you with your project. Kathy, thank you. Cheers. Cheers. I was really excited to get this job, not only because Kip and Kathy are family friends. Kip is a creative director and Kathy has an amazing sense of design. So I knew that they would push their kitchen to the outer limits. So I'll let you guys kind of take over and tell them about the design process.
Yeah, I think for me it was like, we've had several houses over the years. You've traveled around, and you find yourself, sometimes you're doing things for you. Sometimes you're doing things because you know it'll help the resale of the house. So I think for this house, for us, it was like, let's get the stuff we want. Let's make the decisions that are going to make our lifestyle and our house the way we want it.
That's big. I hear that a lot. And a lot of people regret it when they have waited.
We decided not to wait. I like to cook, and this kitchen was not at all inspiring before the redo. I didn't even want to cook.
No.
The lighting was horrible. I couldn't even see what I was cooking on my two little burners. So for me, I wasn't happy in a place that I like to be.
Yes.
We both like to entertain. I love to cook for people, and it just wasn't right.
I love both of their points, and Kathy, almost every time I have come to her home for a design meeting, for instance, today she has coffee cake. Another time she sent me home with some healthy muffins for my kids. So she gives and shows her love by cooking and baking. And I could not wait for you to get this kitchen remodel finished because you deserve it.
And I love it.
Yes.
I love this kitchen so much. I walk in and I say, is this my kitchen? Is this our kitchen? I mean, what a transformation.
Yes, yes.
It really was.
One of the things when I was looking through their kitchen cabinets to see what client they would be, I was amazed by your dishes and these beautiful cups. I just thought, ooh, open shelving is the way to go for you two. I mean, you collected all of the silver cups.
I get at Walmart in the camping section. They're $4.95. They're nice.
They're great. Grab one. Show them.
They're nice. They're kind of like they're faux. What's the brand of the?
There's no BPA.
Expensive stuff.
Faux Yeti.
And sort of like smitten with modern design.
Yes.
As opposed to traditional stuff. And we've subscribed to Dwell magazine for probably 20 years.
Yeah.
And just like looking at everything. And just over that time, I think that sort of condition. We had our turn. We kind of knew pretty quickly, and you passed the test of understanding what we were looking for.
Oh, good.
Because I think some designers and some creative people are like, I know what's best for them. And that's not the way you came at it. You came at it like, what's best for you? That's what really made us confident.
Thank you. I appreciate that. These two creatives were so insane that our first design material meeting was over in less than an hour. That's never happened with me with all of my kitchens. You know, years of practicing in creative design, but this just fits the space now. Do you want to tell us just a little bit about this window here?
There was no window here, and when I do dishes, I don't like looking at a blank wall. There was a shelf there, but it wasn't inspiring. We have a lovely room we call the lobby, which was the original living room, on the other side of this, where, you know, he plays music and we listen to music there. We have our bar there. So for me, I wanted to be a part of the party when we had a party.
Yes.
Our house backs up to 4 acres of wood. So I wanted to look at trees through these big windows. So my goal was to have a big cutout window so that look at the trees when I did dishes. I even get rainbows on my walls in the morning. It's like so awesome in here. So that was really important to me. And we had a very big, bulky refrigerator here, and that had to go. So the other thing we wanted to do was move the refrigerator so it would be clean, and we could still cook and entertain, but if people came to the party, they could get their own drinks out and not be in the way.
Oh.
And it worked out perfect, really. And the final thing was I had no lights in here, so the
Yeah.
lighting
Oh.
is a total game changer.
Yes.
I mean, we walk around going, oh, let's try this light. Oh, look at this light. I just change the lights around all the time because I just love it. I love the lighting.
We had a pretty complicated lighting plan
Yeah.
in here. Yes, I will vouch for
But it
that.
worked out great.
Well, thank you
Yeah,
so much.
It really did. It was perfect.
I appreciate the opportunity to practice good design,
Yeah.
but I really appreciate getting to work with both of you.
Well, thank
Likewise.
you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
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 Yeah.
To being happy at home.
And we are.